Hi parents, soon-to-be parents, and all guardians. Welcome to Life with Little Ones channel. In our today's video, I'm going to share about every dad should teach his son these 8 things. Wow! Every dad should teach his son these 8 things. Moms are typically seen as having the greatest influence on children. However, a father will undoubtedly do some things better than a mother, particularly when it comes to raising a boy. Yes, we will see in this video. The boy is first watched over by kindergarten instructors before going to school, where 90% of the teachers are female. He frequently lacks male education and is always surrounded by females. You should be aware that only a father can provide his child 8 things. The 8th and final lesson, which teaches kids how to remain joyful no matter what occurs, is the most important one on this list.
Okay.
Here we go, number 1. Explain the significance of understanding how to win and lose. Who makes the finest playmates for a kid in competitions and activities other from friends? Yes, dad naturally, isn't it? This is a beneficial program for developing manly traits. The taste of triumph and the amount of effort required to achieve it will be made clear to the child through these activities. Furthermore, the parents will have a great chance to explain to his son why losing is inevitable through such activities. There is no shame in failing. You just need to get back up and start moving forward. And here we go to number 2. Teach him how to treat women with respect. Even if a mother can instruct her kid on how to treat a woman, only the father can actually do this by setting an example. If his youngsters pick up a useful knowledge about women from him, it will be very fantastic. Not from acquaintances or the internet, but rather from his father. When you buy flowers for mom, bring your kid along. To encourage your child to speak with the strange ladies, go to the shop with him and be pleasant to the cashier. And all done.
Wow!
Number 3 in the list, talk to each other in private about love. The previous point leads into this one. When the time comes, let your kid understand everything about this all-encompassing emotion via a man-to-man discussion. A father telling his teen son about his first love and first dates and telling him not to rush, since it's better to wait for the ideal girl who would light a flame in his soul, will be a priceless gift. Mutual trust will greatly benefit from such dialogues.
I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad.
Number 4 in the list, show him how to defend himself. Only a father can properly instruct his son on how to be strong and tough, as well as how to stand up for himself and what is right. He can teach him to distinguish between appropriate times to yell so that the attacker won't approach him and appropriate times to ignore provocations and peacefully go. He needs to tell his son that being kind is not a sign of weakness and lead it by example.
I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad.
Number 5. Bring fresh experiences into the child's experience. When he is still newborn, everything begins. He can already tell the difference between female and male displays of love at the age of 6 months. Father favor energetic sports with a manly nature, such as throwing or spinning, in contrast to moms who prefer stroking and cursing. Moms typically watch this with a quiet fear, but the child experiences a wealth of visual, oral, and tactile sensation, as well as new understanding of their spatial placement. Number 6 will be very interesting. Shows him some manly techniques. Some of the things may do appear to most women to be magic is putting out a fire, driving wheels, or fixing an automobile are a few examples. There is no doubt that knowing how to start a fire will be very useful to your child in the future, even if he lives only in cities. At the very least, to light up a grill. The abilities mentioned above will boost your son's reputation by 100% in any workplace.
Okay.
Number 7 in the list, assist him in learning household chores. This obviously has to do with shaving, ironing, and tying ties for him. Despite the fact that your son can now get any solution on the internet, it will be much better if he learns this from his father. The father is the only person who can demonstrate to his son that males are capable of cooking. Well, at least to avoid starving to death.
I want pizza. Give me pizza.
Number 8, the last but not the least, assist him in developing his own worldview. You don't even have to take any extra action. Simply visit him occasionally and engage in conversation. Your youngsters has to realize that there is more than just the mother with her demands and expectations. There is also someone else with a different perspective. Parents should of course support each other in matters of raising. Their ideas, however, can differ greatly when it comes to how they see the world, and this is expected. The youngsters will learn that different people have different opinions on the same subjects. With the support of the father, he will develop his ability to think critically and establish opinions.
I love you, Dad. I love you, Dad.
And that's all for our parenting tips today. Thank you for watching, but before I end up this video, I would like to know, what else did your dad teach you? What is the most significant lesson that he has given to you? Post your ideas in the comment section below. And just little favor please, don't forget to click subscribe button, like button, share button, and give us a thumbs up. Have a nice day everyone. God bless you all.